In this Kittl tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop an image. So first of all, we need an image to crop. So I'm going to come over to here, I'm going to come to Photos, and then I'm just going to choose one of these. Let's go with this cat. Now from here, we just want to make this bigger, like so. And now, when it comes to cropping, what we want to do is double click on the image. If we double click like so, we can now drag these sides in. We can even drag the top in as well, like so, or we can drag the bottom. Then, if we click off of here now, that is going to crop that image. Then from here, we can resize the image to however big that we want it. But that's how to crop your image here on Kittl. Now, for more Kittl tutorials just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.